Traders, investors, what is going on? We are back. You care now? Didn't seem like y'all cared. 166 views were better than that. Come on. Those are rookie numbers. We got to pump that up. So Sunday we talked about Tkat. We said that this was a new trend. Talked about a bunch of NFTs, but we said that we like Tkat. This was at $26 when we talked about it. We actually got a bounce on that trend line right there. We'll look at that in a second. The other fan favorite was Hofv. So this was at about $4. It actually came down. There was a couple buying opportunities for this guy. So I told you about it on Sunday. Yesterday morning at 6. I said some of the stuff and things are still running. Potential deal. Keep an eye out. Various what have yous. Reiterated it again today in this morning's brief. I work full-time as an electrical engineer. I don't always have the ability to pound the table when I see an opportunity to get in. I can just present opportunities. It's up to you to exploit them. So if you would have bought on Monday, almost at any time you would have made money. That actually had a pretty solid run. I think they ran up like 70% or something like that. Maybe it was, I think they had a 30% run. Tkat actually had a 70% run. And then it ended up being 90 in the after hours. So we talked about them over here. We got that bounce we were looking for. And it ran from 25 to 75. So I'm wrong. That's a 200% play right there. So congrats if any of you guys caught that. Let me know in the down there. I love to live vicariously through my peeps. I actually wasn't in that. I was in Hofv. So I sold yesterday, and I actually didn't get back in today. I'm pretty pissed. I was playing YVR. Got in on this action this morning. Ended up cutting it a little bit in here and the rest in here. And then I was busy the rest of the day at work, so I didn't have a chance to really eyeball anything else. And man, I told you, let them come down. Be greedy. Wait for an opportunity. I mean, sure, if you want to get into the thick of it, go ahead. But just understand that's a lot more aggressive trade. But when they come down, and especially when they come down and look where it caught. It caught at support. Look how many bounces we have there. That is the pre-market low from the previous day. That is the dip where it caught in the after hours the day before, a peak before that. I mean, that is a solid catch point to look out for. And you see that bounce, you go small. And you see it start to validate, then you out on the next dip. And then bada shlam. And this is the things that, it sucks having a day job, man. It really does. I love it. But I miss stuff sometimes. I was at work by then. So I didn't brief on them because they were running on no news. But that's where you guys come in. You say, hey, wait, Hofv. Daniel said that there's a link between the NFL. Wait a second, I'm loading the boat. So anyways, long story long, the reason they popped today is Hofv reported that they were in a partnership with Dlpn Entertainment to offer exclusive NFL NFTs. Buy the rumor, sell the news. This thing is long gone. It might continue tomorrow. I don't know. We will see. I'll tell you what, I know for a fact that there is so many shorts trapped right now. So we might see it squeeze tomorrow. Let's see. We still got another day of Powell. I'll be sure to update you in the morning in the brief. So if you're not in there, get in there, man. It's all free. We briefed on this morning. There was a number of winners today, not just the NFTs. We said BNTC is up on Morgan Stanley disclosing that they own, I think it was like 7% or something like that. They have a 250,000 shares in the company. And so it absolutely skyrocketed on that news. And if you grabbed it in here, that was a little bit ballsy. It's already up a lot. I probably would have waited for market open to determine a direction, or at least I would have just got a starter. And it completely sold off into open, but went under pre-market lows a little bit there. So that was a little bit hairy. But if you were watching this thing, I mean, that's an easy 100% play right there. So congrats to any of my peeps that caught it. GNUS, our swing is still doing things. No, I'm not in because I'm greedy, man. I want to load up. It never hit under $2. I never got it. And it's just been kind of slowly ticking up. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We still got our catalyst at the end of the month. Should pop, but I'm really limiting my spec swings, my overnights. Just because everything's been so volatile lately, man. So be careful out there. Exploit this volatility. Do not be a slave to it, alright? So hit the thing, do the stuff. Follow me on the stuff and things if you don't. Join the Discord. And I'll catch you in the next one, traders.